Hello? This is Nick. Welcome to Citipedia. It's a pronunciation guide on some of the most mispronounced words in the world. It's a name of a city located in Jefferson and Shelby counties in north-central Alabama, United States. Hoover is the largest suburban city in Alabama and the sixth largest city in the state, with a population of 92,606 as of the 2020 US Census. It is part of the Birmingham, Alabama Metropolitan Statistical Area and is also included in the Birmingham-Cullman-Talladega, AL Combined Statistical Area. Hoover's territory is along the foothills of the Appalachian Mountains. It's pronounced as Hoover. Hoover? Hoover. To pronounce it correctly, emphasize the HO sound and then the ver at the end. Make sure to stress the first syllable and keep the ver short and crisp. Hoover? Hoover. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more on commonly mispronounced words. Thanks for your support.